Avoid acidic foods, a guide to healthier eating habits. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to help you improve your English and expand your vocabulary. Today, we're diving into a common health-related phrase, avoid acidic foods. Understanding this phrase not only helps you learn more about English language nuances but also gives you insight into dietary advice. So, let's explore what acidic foods are, why it might be advisable to avoid them, and how this impacts your health. Firstly, it's crucial to grasp what acidic foods refer to. These are foods that have a low pH level, which means they are high in acid content. Common examples include citrus fruits like lemons and oranges, tomatoes, vinegar, and some dairy products. While these foods are nutritious, they can also cause discomfort for some people, such as those with acid reflux or sensitive stomachs. The word avoid in this context means to keep away from or to try not to consume these acidic foods. It's not an absolute ban but rather a guideline to reduce intake if these foods cause you discomfort or worsen certain health conditions. Understanding the context is key when interpreting advice like this in English, as it often isn't as strict as it sounds. Why might someone want to avoid acidic foods? For individuals with certain health issues, like gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, consuming acidic foods can aggravate symptoms like heartburn and indigestion. Moreover, a diet high in acidic foods might affect tooth enamel and lead to increased sensitivity or decay. This section of our video is crucial for understanding the health motivations behind dietary advice. Avoiding doesn't mean you have to miss out on essential nutrients. There are plenty of non-acidic alternatives that are gentle on the stomach and rich in vitamins and minerals. For instance, instead of citrus fruits, you can opt for melons or bananas. Understanding how to balance your diet while following such advice can lead to healthier eating habits without compromising nutritional intake. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to avoid acidic foods, and why this might be recommended for some individuals. Remember, dietary advice like this should be tailored to your personal health needs, so it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.